What's up guys, Carolynn Castillo, listing agent with eXp Realty. Today's property, we're located at Pine Island Ridge Country Club in Davie. Let's go take a look. What's up guys, we're here at the unit right now and I want to tell you this community is different than any other condominium that's located in South Florida. At Pine Island Ridge Country Club, you can check it out. They have over 300 Google reviews online. This place is the place to be for entertainment, for dining, and the golf course is second to none. When you live here, you don't have to pay a membership fee and playing golf is less than $20. It's unbelievable. They have theme nights, dinners, fancy dances, all kinds of stuff. So this community with pools and kids playgrounds is definitely a whole lifestyle. So come on up, let me show you the actual unit. This one is located on the second floor. So I love that. So let's go take a look. So the nice thing about being on the second floor is that you are going to have privacy and everybody loves the second floor for that. Now, as soon as you walk in this unit, you're just going to be overwhelmed with all the light. I mean, look at this place. You've got tons of windows and you've got tons of beautiful sliding glass door here. Now, with the real estate market, we all know how competitive it is. So condos are becoming more and more desirable. For $250,000, which is what this condo is going to be selling for, you can't get a house, like not even at all in good condition. So spending $250,000 to be in a beautiful condo like this is becoming very appealing. So let's go show you around. You have this big open living space area. You are going to have a beautiful, huge screens and patio. I mean, look at this. How gorgeous is this? Very well maintained grounds here, very well with all of the trees and the grass. You're going to notice that the beautiful trees in this neighborhood, it's a really nice place to live. Now I want to take you into the master bedroom. Okay. Now this master bedroom is really big and it also has access to the patio. So that's one of the best features that I love. So you'll have a beautiful window here, you'll have access to the patio, and it wouldn't be a master bedroom without an amazing closet, okay? So come take a look here. You have a very large walk-in closet, and ladies, you know I'm a big fan of makeup counters. So you have a gorgeous makeup counter here, and then you've got a really nice bathroom with a stand-up shower, complete nice vanity, really good size, really good size. And one of the best things about condos is a condo can feel a lot more spacious depending on the floor plan. So in this condo, we actually have a split bedroom floor plan. So the master bedroom's on this side and the other bedroom's on the other side. But first I'm going to show you the kitchen. So come on in. Woo! So this seller did a really nice job in updating the kitchen cabinets. Not the cabinets, excuse me, the granite countertops. So you are going to have an upgraded granite countertop with the original kitchen, but it really flows nicely. It's such an open space here. So you have all these beautiful windows, a window over the sink. You have an eat-in kitchen area and also a formal dining area. The nice thing is too is you've got washer and dryer in your units. So when you're living in a condo, that's a really big deal. So these are awesome to have. And now let me go show you the second bedroom. Now again, with this unit, all the flooring's been updated. So you are going to have this really nice 12 by 12, let me shut the door, diagonal tile. You are going to have a guest bathroom and also for the second bathroom here. And then you've got a really nice sized bedroom here as well with a large mirrored closet here, okay? So this is perfect for a second bedroom, a guest room. Your guests do have access to their own private bathroom here. And then you just have this overall huge living space. So this property, we're actually going to be putting it on the market right away. It's actually the only unit that's going to be available in the entire Pine Island Ridge Garden Apartments. The Garden Apartments only have 2 floors, so it's a really exclusive part of the neighborhood, and this is the only one that's going to be on the market. So if you're interested, give me a call. My information's below, and we're going to set up a private showing with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon.